We just built this LS with an inverted 3-liter Whipple for Mike Dusold of Dusold Designs. He's a custom car builder in Lewisville, Texas, whose car builds perform as good as they look. This one's for a 1966 Chevelle. The design follows our standard recipe: dark block, Callies crank and rods, diamond pistons, hydraulic roller comp cam, and all pro heads. We're liking the inverted lids because they look sharp, have a slightly lower profile, and lower inlet air temps with the upgraded dual-core intercooler. .1182 horsepower and 1080 torque. That'll get the Chevelle down the road, and Mike will know how best to put that power to the ground.